Ever dreamt of checking the 9 to 5 and becoming a digital nomad, laptop in one hand, pina colada in the other, living off your crypto fortune? Sounds idyllic, right? But before you're basking on a beach in Bali funded by Bitcoin, there's a crucial hurdle to jump: verification. That's where exchanges like Kraken come in. They're the gateways to this wild world of cryptocurrency, allowing you to buy, sell, and trade all sorts of digital assets. But just like entering a fancy club, you gotta show some ID first. Today's question is all about one of the most popular exchanges, Kraken. How long does their verification take? Buckle up, crypto newbies and veterans looking for a refresher, because we're about to navigate the verification maze at Kraken. The verification levels: not all accounts are created equal. Kraken doesn't have a one-size-fits-all approach. They offer different verification levels, each with its own perks and, of course, verification times. Let's break them down. Starter verification: this is the quickest and easiest level to achieve. It takes just a few minutes to fill out a basic form and get verified. But there's a catch: your deposit and withdrawal limits are quite low, making it impractical for serious investors. Intermediate verification: this is the sweet spot for most casual crypto enthusiasts. It unlocks higher deposit and withdrawal limits, and verification typically takes a few hours, although it can stretch to a day or two. Pro verification: this level caters to the high rollers. It boasts the most significant deposit and withdrawal limits, but also requires the most stringent verification process. Think business documents, proof of income, and potentially a phone call to confirm your identity. Here's where verification times can vary the most, taking anywhere from a few days to a week. The Krakenator of verification: understanding processing times. So, we know there are different levels, but how long does each actually take? Kraken themselves are upfront about processing times, but there are a few factors to consider. Demand matters. If there's a sudden surge in crypto interest, think Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin again, verification times can balloon. Be patient, grasshopper. Automated versus manual: Kraken uses a mix of automated and manual verification checks. The good news? Clear photos and accurate information get you through the automated system quicker. The bad news? Any discrepancies might land you in manual verification purgatory, which can take longer. Documentation is key. Make sure you have all the required documents, ID, proof of address, scanned clearly and ready to upload. Avoid blurry pics or selfies with your grandma in the background. That's a recipe for delays. Kraken up your patience. Tips to streamline verification. Want to get verified on Kraken ASAP and start your crypto journey? Here are some battle-tested tips. Do your research. Before you even start the verification process, understand which level you need and what documents are required. Prepare your documents, scan everything beforehand, and ensure they meet Kraken's specifications. Be accurate. Double-check all your information for typos. A single wrong digit can send you back to square one. Don't spam the system. Resist the urge to submit multiple verification requests. Patience is a virtue, young Padawan. The verdict: worth the wait? Verification might seem like a hurdle, but it's an essential security measure for both you and Kraken. It helps prevent fraud and keeps your hard-earned crypto safe. While waiting might not be ideal, consider it a small price to pay for entering the exciting world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.